Hello, lovelies. Welcome again to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be washing my hair. Today is my wash day routine, and as I will be washing my hair, I would like to share with you why I don't wash my hair in twists or in braids. And before I do that, I would like to share with you some advantages of washing your hair in twists or in braids. I'm just going to be listing the advantages or the cons of washing your hair in braids or in twists. Yeah, washing your hair in twists reduces tangle. And you all know that when you have tangles in your hair, that is the most difficult part of it. It takes a lot of time. That is why we always say wash day, because that day you have set it aside to wash your hair. And when you have tangles in your hair, that is the highest thing that takes your time to detangle. So if you wash your hair in twists, it will save you a lot of time to detangle your hair. So it reduces tangles. The second one, it is very easy to access your scalp when your hair is open. Very easy. The next one, it keeps the hair healthy, and then it increases the volume of your hair. It also is styling, like for example, if you wash your hair in twist, you can just quickly put it in bantu knot without even unraveling the twist. And the next thing, it reduces shrinkage. Like my hair shrinks a lot, and if I wash it in twists, it will not shrink. That is one of the advantage of it. It helps to reduce split ends. And even with these advantages, I still don't like washing my hair in twists. And here is the reason why I don't really wash my hair in twists is because I use heavy products in my hair. And if you have been watching my videos, you will know exactly the products I normally use in my hair. Please, I will leave the link to my other videos in the description box so that you can watch it and know the things I use in my hair. So when I wash it in twists, to rinse the conditioner out of my hair is very difficult. And even shampooing the hair, it is very difficult for me to shampoo. I will leave a clip of a video I did on my daughter's hair. I also washed her hair one day because I hadn't no time to really to unravel her hair. I washed it in twist, and when combing the hair, guys, you will see the hair was so dirty. I cannot really say dirty, but the products were not out. It left a lot of residue, and this is so annoying. And when I see it, if I feel like my hair is not clean, I have to re-wash it again. So that is one of the reasons why I don't wash my hair. Even though washing your hair in twists has a lot of benefits or a lot of advantages, still I don't like washing my hair in twists because of the products I'm using. If you are that type of person that you use very light products in your hair, then washing your hair in twists will be very easy. All I always say is make sure you do what works for you. This is what worked for me, and I love it, and I'm comfortable with it. So you just do what works for you. I'm not discouraging you from washing your hair in twist. If you feel that that is the best way for you, go ahead and do it. But I'm just telling you what works for me. Here is a clip of my daughter's hair I was telling you guys about. I washed her hair in twists, and after about 2 hours, the hair was a little bit dry, and then I wanted to moisturize her hair and style it. So I unraveled the twist. Oh my god, I almost cried. You can see I'm trying to zoom it out so that you guys can see the residue in her hair. it looks, the whitish residue right there, that is the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner I used in her hair. And to wash it out was really a big problem because I washed the hair in twist. So this is the hair, I had to re-wash it again even after the long time I used to wash the hair. I thought everything was out, but it was so discouraging. I couldn't even style her hair. I had to take her back to the shower and re-wash the hair. And it is so annoying, especially when you don't have enough time. It's very annoying. So from that day I just decided never to do it again. It's better I spend the time I have to make sure that the hair is clean rather than doing double work. I don't like double work at all. So this is just the clip of it, and I just wanted you guys to see what I'm talking about. I think you can really see very well because the camera is not really doing justice, but I think you can see the whitish, or the residue in the hair. This is just my experience, guys. If you have anything, or maybe there is another better way, please just leave it down in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. I'm done shampooing and conditioning my hair. Now I'm just putting it in twists so that it doesn't tangle again, and after a few days I will moisturize it. You have to pay attention to your hair, guys, so that you know when your hair is dry and needs to be re-moisturized to prevent breakage. And if you have not been washing your hair in twist and you think you want to try it, there is a technique in which you can use to wash your hair in twist and it will be clean. If only you don't use heavy products in your hair, because if you use heavy product, I bet you your hair will never be clean. It will never be clean because it takes time. Or let me not say it will never be clean. It will be clean, but it will take a lot of time and a lot of water. Okay guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, and if you have watched this video up to this extent, thank you, God bless you, and I would love to see you all again in my next video.